Welcome to our video on the practice of Trataka. In this tutorial, we will explore the benefits of Trataka for concentration and mental clarity, and provide practical steps on how to incorporate it into your meditation routine. Trataka is a form of concentrated gazing that involves staring at a single point, such as a candle flame or a black dot. This practice has been used for centuries to improve concentration and promote mental clarity. Research has shown that Trataka can help improve focus, memory, and cognitive function. It can also reduce stress and anxiety, and promote relaxation. To practice Trataka, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Light a candle or find a black dot to focus on. Gaze at the point without blinking for as long as you can, and then close your eyes and visualize the point in your mind's eye. It's important to start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. Remember to take breaks if you feel any discomfort or strain in your eyes. Now that you know how to practice Trataka, it's time to incorporate it into your meditation routine. Start with a few minutes of Trataka before your regular meditation practice, and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Remember, Trataka is just one of many meditation practices that can help improve concentration and promote mental clarity. Experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching our video on the practice of Trataka. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more meditation tutorials and tips.